Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back on your YouTube screens, and finally I'm here with my second surprising episode. So guys, this is all because of you, thanks to you, and don't break the chain of supporting because you guys encouraged me a lot and highly supported me. So don't break the chain and keep supporting. And actually I have one surprise for you in this video, but therefore you just need to close your eyes for a while. So guys, here's a surprise, and she's my today's model. I'm gonna make over her in this video. So how are you?
I'm fine.
And who are you?
Hi guys, I'm Bia Rajput.
Basically, she's my friend, and we studied from a same fashion school. After then, she started modeling or taking some shoots.
But she changed her profession totally.
Yes.
But now I'm so happy that she came back in her field because she's so good.
Thank you so much. Actually, but before doing all these makeover things, you should guys go and watch some basic ideas about dress designing. So go and watch. So the first step in fashion designing is your body image consciousness. If you wanna look a little broader, you should go with horizontal patterns, and in case if you have a chubby body and a round figure, you should go with a vertical pattern. This is so simple. And in the second step, you just need a paper and a pencil to draw your favorite design on a sheet, or you can directly download some images from internet and send it to your tailor. So this is a simple step too. So here comes the last step, which is about measurements, and the correct and professional measurement is very important part of any dress designing, which include length, sleeves, etc. All write it on your sheet and send it to your tailor.
good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.